Okay lang may konting joint play, wala naman siya. Normal naman to. Try natin sa kabila. Yes, natin ulit sa kabila ha. Meron daw? Galing nyo naman, grabe. Parang x-ray vision. Meron nga. May x-ray field dito. Yung nasa 6 years na. So, nakita nyo ba guys? Mga gusto makakita, sige lakit lang dito. Nakita lang sa board. Okay, hindi ko nakita. Yung ilaw. So, 90 degrees, diba? So, hindi lagi yung trivia forward para magkaroon ng translation.
May history kayo niyan, diba?
Alam ko na yung keyboard.
Pwede pa tayo nun eh.
Naintindihan ba? So, in between, that is your joint line. You will be watching for the joint line. Yun yung joint line niya. Ayun yung joint. So, below this line is the tibia, and above that is your femur. And in between that, that's your anterior cruciate ligament. So, anong gagawin natin? I will just, ito, hindi stabilize ko nito para hindi lumalaw, right? Kasi kapag hinila ko yan, baka matipa ako. Right? So, minsan inuupuan, kapag maliit lang yung therapist, inuupuan nila yung paa. Right? Ako, medyo mahaba naman yung forearm, yung aking forearm, sinastabilize ko lang. Hawak sa may belly ng gastro, near the, dito sa may edge ng popliteal area, right? Nandito is just for stability para nakikita natin. Then, hindi siya paharap. Hindi natin alam. No basis of comparison eh. Diba no basis of comparison? Okay, ganyan ang galaw niya. Alright, so we'll check with the other. If the other is tighter, this is looser, ibig sabihin na dito yung may injury dito. Kapag pareho silang normal, pareho silang tight, walang injury. Pag pareho silang loose, parehong wala. Alright, so 90 degrees. Magalaw ba? Nakikita nyo, ito yung joint line, di ba? You will be watching for this area to go further out. Alright? Tignan natin pareho ha. Tignan natin pareho ha. Right. So dito, ay yung joint line, you will be watching for this to go front. Kapag nag-front siya, positive. Kapag hindi, negative lang. Kita nyo? Tuloy siya. Yung tibial plato, yung nasa harapan. Okay, so positive. Right, so that's your anterior